to Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is consumer perception. As in previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject consumer behavior and also discuss various topics related to it like consumer decision making process and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the topic consumer perception or consumer as a perceiver. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is consumer perception. As individuals' behavior is often connected to his or her perceptions and may not be based on the actual or reality. For a marketer also, understanding of the consumer behavior is very important. The behavior of the consumer at the marketplace will depend on what he thinks as a reality or on his perception and knowledge about the world around him. So basically, as a consumer, as a perceiver or consumer perception is actually the pattern of consumer to think about things as a reality on his perception. This perception may be based on the sensation from the outside world, which in turn may be influenced by past experience or learning, expectations, fantasies, beliefs, values, personality, etc. For better understanding of buying behavior of individuals, marketers must examine the importance of perception and its integration with the related concepts. This information will help him to devise marketing strategies and programs. So basically, the perception of the consumer is based on the past experiences and learning also, such as to help consumers to perceive their firms, products, or services positively. Perception is the process of selecting, organizing, or interpreting or attaching meaning to events happening in the environment. The concept of perception is very closely related to the personality of a person. We know that people working in an organization differ in terms of physical characteristics such as training and education and personality traits. So basically, in the perception, a person select, organize and interpret the available information from the environment. One of the consequences of such differences is that people do not view things in the same way. Perception is described as a person's view of reality. Every person perceives the world and approaches life problems differently. Like the central processing unit of computer, human beings also are information processors, which one basic difference. So person is also work as a computer system in which we also process the information. While all computers process a piece of information in the identical manner with identical input, human beings may differ because their differences and uniqueness. So human being analyzes all the information available in the environment. People often see the same phenomena differently both within the organizational context and outside the organization. In order to understand why people see the same situation differently, one has to understand perception and its different aspects. So the person has to clarify about the objects available in the environment to better understanding, to better perceiving process. So this is all about the consumer as a perceiver or consumer perception. I again summarize all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So an individual's behavior is often connected to the reality and the actual behavior of the person. The perception is based on the sensation of outside world and also affected by the experience which may be past of learning of the person. Perception is process of selecting, organizing, interpreting or attaching meaning to events happening in the environment. The main consequences of perception is difference, not to be the same thing. Perception is described as the person views of ability, and perception is also done by the computer system, but in the human being they perceive all the factors available in the environment. So this is all about the consumer perception or consumer as a perceiver. If you have any query about this topic or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.